What you see in the back are 5 collections of Canva templates that you can use for free for your Instagram posts. Stay watching until the end because I'll be sharing the keywords you need to find these collections during the whole video, and also I'll share some other videos in the end screen with more Canva collections. Collection number 1 is modern jewelry. This is how all of these designs together will look like on your Instagram feed, and this is the keyword you need to find them on Canva. Modern minimal jewelry. Remember to type it exactly as you see it on screen without any spaces, or simply use the links that I left in the description. Coming back to the first collection of templates, as you can see, all of these designs have the same minimal but yet elegant style. I really like about these templates that all of them are really simple to use, and you will end up with a very professional outcome. Of course, as these are templates, you can change all of the images that you see here for the photos of your own products. This collection is created thinking about a jewelry shop, but if you have any other kind of product, you can use it as well. Remember that all of these templates are free to use, so if you have a Canva Free account or a Canva Pro account, you can access them for free. In this collection, you have 2 different carousels. You have this one right here, so let me show it to you. In this carousel, we have 4 different slides, the cover, 2 slides to add more content, and the last slide for the call to action to ask people to like, comment, share, and save your content. Now let me show you the second carousel because this one is really cool. This one has a seamless effect, so when people are swiping your carousel, the image that we see on page number 1 will be connected to the image on the second slide. So if you use this carousel, remember to use the same photo on this frame on page number 1 and again on page number 2, so we have this seamless effect. Then the other seamless effect that we see in the following pages are achieved by the color on these shapes. So it's a pretty easy to use carousel, but yet, as I already told you, you will end up with a very professional outcome. This is collection number 2, created for wellness influencers. This is how these designs could look like on your Instagram feed, and this is the keyword that you need to type in order to find this set of templates in Canva. Remember to use the quotation marks or the link in the description. As you can see, we have 15 templates in this collection, and that is why it is very important for you to type exactly the same keyword and with quotation marks. Let me show you what happens if I remove these quotation marks and then hit enter. We have now over 100,000 templates, and all of these templates have different styles, and also they may have different document types. This is not what we are looking for, so let me go back and let me add the quotation marks and hit enter. Okay, this is the collection that you should see on your screen. If you don't see the collection on your screen and you see again thousands of templates, you can use this keyword and then you are going to type this on your browser, canva.com/Diana Munoz, and hit enter. This will take you to my Canva profile, and if you scroll down, you will see a little search bar in here. If you really want to find the templates that I'm showing you today, you can type the keywords here. So I'm gonna type the keyword, and like this, you make sure to find the 15 templates that I'm showing you today. This collection right here is very different from the other collections that you will see today in this video, and it is because it has a playful color palette. I think this is very important about this collection because it will make you stand out on social media. I believe nowadays a lot of people are using muted colors and more of the bohemian bohemian style, and this one is a completely different vibe, but still looks very trendy. In this collection, we have two different templates that are actually carousels. Let me show them to you. These two right here are carousels. This one has 4 different pages, and this one has 5. And as you can see, when I hover on top of the carousel, you can see this seamless effect, but when I click on the template, we see that we have 5 different pages, and what makes the seamless effect work are these shapes that are connecting in all of these pages. Now let me show you the other carousel in this collection. In this one, we have just this simple shape that connects these 2 pages, and then the color in the background also help us create this seamless effect. I really find this collection fun, creative, unique, and also modern. This is collection number 3, the elegant real estate. This is how these designs would look like on your Instagram feed, and this is the keyword you need to use. Remember, the quotation marks are very important. You can use this keyword on the Canva homepage inside the editor if you are using an Instagram post square format, or you can also use it directly from my Canva profile. Let me show you how to use it inside the editor this time. Let's say that you already have an Instagram post square format, so I'm gonna create one to show you how to do it from the editor. From here, make sure that you are under the design tab, and then you are going to use this search bar. We open the quotation marks and then type minimalistic, classic, real estate, and then we close the quotation marks and hit enter. What you see on top are some designs created by Magic Design. This is the artificial intelligence in Canva. This is not what we are looking for. What you need to see are these results below. This is the collection that I want to share with you guys today. So if you are inside the editor and you like any of these designs, remember that these are completely free to use. You are then going to click on the design you like, and then Canva will transfer the template to your design. And then from here, you'll be able to customize anything on the design. So double click on any of the text boxes if you want to change anything here. So let's say that I want to share 4 steps instead of tips. And then if you want to change the colors as well, you can click on any element, go to the color section, and then start applying the new colors to your design. Then we go back to the home page and use the keyword in the search bar because I want to show you the designs a little bit bigger. Again, from here, I see the Magic Design results. These are not the templates we want. Remember that these are generated by the artificial intelligence in Canva. And below, you will see the collection of templates that I'm talking about. In this collection, we have a couple of very popular designs, and I'm going to show them to you in case that you want to use them as well. There is this trend of do's and don'ts, and this design in particular, you can use it to create your own version of do's and don'ts. So you will simply need to change the text in these 2 text boxes, change the logo and the URL right here, and then you'll have a piece of content ready to be shared. There is another template very easy to customize, which is this one. It is very popular as well. And then we have this carousel with 5 different pages. Because all of this collection has a minimalistic style, it will be pretty easy to customize for you. As you can see, we have mostly text boxes, so you just simply need to change the text inside this carousel and you'll be ready to go. There is one more carousel in this collection, which is right here. I really like this one because if you are indeed using it for real estate, you have some frames that you can use to place the images from the real property you are trying to sell. I have a huge tip that I want to share here here with you guys today in case that you are opting for the way of typing the keyword in the search bar is to use the correct quotation marks. As you can see here, it may seem that I'm using quotation marks, but when I hit enter on the search result page, you will see that there are over 800,000 templates. These are too many templates, and it is because we have an error in our keyword. As you can see, we have a quotation mark in here, and then this is not a quotation mark. So we're going to delete it, and then we're going to type the right quotation mark. I'm going to hit enter now, and then you will see that the search result is going to change. Hit enter, and this time we only have 13 templates. That's why it is very important for you guys to be very careful if you decide to type the keyword by yourself. If not, one more time, remember that there are links in the description. This is collection number 4, and this is how it would look like on your Instagram feed. This is the keyword we are going to use, and remember not to add any spaces to the keyword. I'm gonna type here delicate wellness without any spaces and then hit enter. In this collection we have 10 templates. If you see more than 10 templates, then try going to my Canva profile and type exactly the same keyword. You should see then these 10 templates. In this collection we see content related to wellness and mental health. So if you are a wellness center or maybe a wellness coach, a yoga teacher, you may be interested in the content in these templates or the aesthetic as well. And the most popular design from this collection, it is this one right here, the upcoming events design. So if you have any kind of workshop or event that you want to promote, this is the design that you need to use. It has all the information you may want to share with your audience. You have the month, the date, you have the hour and the name of the event or the workshop. And then if you want to add some extra information, you can add another slide to the carousel, or you can simply add more information in the caption of this post. This is collection number 5, but it is not the last collection that I'm going to show you in this video, so stay watching until the end. This is how this collection could look like on your Instagram feed, and this is the keyword you need to type in Canva in order to find these templates. I really like this collection because it looks very bold, but still has a very feminine and professional vibe to it. In this collection, you will see that there is a lot of content related to brand, marketing, and brand strategy. In this collection in particular, we have 3 different carousels. So we have this one right here, we have another one right here, and then the third one in here. From these 3 different carousels, we have one that is the most popular design in the whole collection, and that carousel is this one. In this design, we have 5 different pages in which we can share 5 different steps, 5 different tips, or 5 different benefits related to any topic or any niche that you want to use. At the end, you have this call to action slide, and I really like that you can use your own photo right here. Another popular template in this collection, it is this one. So if you want to boost engagement and if you want to create a fun event on your Instagram account, a giveaway can be a pretty fun activity that you can do. And 2 other designs that I find pretty cool in this collection are these 2, because we have these little mock-ups in which you can replace the photo and really customize the designs. And last but not least, I have an extra collection for you guys. This one in particular is available only for Canva Pro users, but I really like it and I think it's fair to share some pro content because many of you already have Canva Pro. If you have a Canva free account and like any of these designs that I'm showing you today, there is a link in the description that you can use to use Canva Pro for free during 45 days. In the Canva website, you can only get 30 days of Canva Pro for free. So with this link, you can get 15 days more. This is how this collection could look like on your Instagram feed, and this is the keyword you will need to find it. In this collection, we have 12 different templates. We also have some carousels in here, and from this collection of templates, we have two very popular designs, which is this one right here. Let me show it to you. In this carousel, we have 5 different pages. We have the call to action at the end. We can share 3 different tips, benefits, or steps, and then also in between the page number 1 and page number 2 we have the seamless effect of the carousel with this frame split into 2. So remember that if you are adding a new photo to this frame, also change it on page number 2. Let me close this preview to show you the second most famous template in this collection, which is this one right here. In this template we also have 5 different slides, and what I find pretty interesting about this carousel is that we don't have any frames, which in my opinion makes customizing the design much faster because you only need to take care of the written content and you save the time of finding the right images you want to use in the carousel. So that's a cool tip for you to have into consideration when you are working on carousels for your Instagram content. If you enjoyed this video, remember to hit the like button and subscribe. And here are 2 videos you need to watch if you want to discover more collections of free Canva templates. I think this is it for today, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!